Hello, and welcome to my tutorial for how to create flying machines in the game Teardown. Now, creating a flying machine is pretty simple. In Teardown right now, there really is only one way of creating a flying machine, and that's by basically strapping two things together, standing on one of them and lifting the other. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that right here. So an easy location is in the marina, and really just get two sections of fence and apart. You can use anything for the materials, but thin stuff like fences makes it a lot easier. So now, just goes over there. So now if we put both of these on the ground, where'd the other one go? Oh. If we put both of these on the ground, we can... Oh, shoot. You stack them on top of each other. Then you use planks to connect the two parts together. Gotta be careful not to connect it to the ground by accident. And once they've been sufficiently connected, you just have to select the bottom one and lift off. I recommend doing this on sandbox because of that. Oh, what a recovery! So yeah, vertical height is going to be pretty unavoidable. It's fun to get high lateral height, but it's pretty hard to do, and you can also fall, of course. If you didn't get wrecked too bad, you can take off again, but you might have to hold them back together. Oh dear. That's not good. Oh! But that's really it. It's actually quite a simple process once you figure it out. Well, thank you for watching.